If you think ghosts are just in movies, then you've never stepped inside the walls of Harlow State Prison. Here, reality is stranger than fiction. Deep in Pennsylvania, Harlow State Prison hasn't housed an inmate in 30 years. Yet visitors swear they still hear voices echoing through the halls. Some say it's the wind, others claim it's the restless spirits of those who never escaped. Guards once reported chains rattling at midnight, and names whispered in the dark. Are these echoes just your imagination, or something that refuses to be forgotten? Hit follow for more places where the line between legend and reality blurs.